Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now. Expose the zipper tape by opening the bag and flattening the pocket seam so you can see the slider and teeth clearly. Use needle nose pliers to check for bent teeth. This prevents jams. Once done, thread a sturdy needle with matching strong thread and have a small zipper lubricant ready. Make sure to keep the bag stable on a flat surface so tiny repairs stay precise and you don't create new damage. You now realign teeth and adjust the slider. Begin by gently straightening any bent teeth with needle nose pliers. Small movements only, because overbending weakens metal. Next, inspect the slider. If it's widened, pinch the back and front plates just enough to restore grip. Test it by moving the slider a few millimeters. Once the slider grips, apply 1 to 2 drops of zipper lubricant and work the slider smoothly. This reduces friction and helps the zipper mesh correctly. You finish by reinforcing the area. Stitch a few strong, hidden reinforcements at the zipper stops so the slider won't run off. This secures your repair. If a tooth is missing or severely damaged, the only reliable solution is replacing the zipper or fitting a short replacement section. Repairing a missing tooth won't hold. If the slider still skips, swap in a new slider designed for the same zipper size, and if that fails,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.